How to check iPhone purchase date. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can find out when your iPhone was originally purchased using official Apple tools or third-party methods. This can be helpful for checking warranty, eligibility, or resale purposes. So let's get started. First thing that you need to do is simply head over to your phone settings and then you're going to click on General. And over here, you're going to click on About. And over here, you'll be able to see coverage expired. That means the coverage is expired 1 year after the purchase date. If the coverage is expired for your phone, that means that it has been more than 1 year since you have purchased this phone. However, if the coverage has not been expired, you'll be able to see an expiry date over here. For example, if the coverage expiry date is let's say June 2025, that means you have purchased that phone in June 2024. So the next way that you can check is go back, and over here you'll be able to see serial number. So you're going to long press on it and then click on copy. And after that, you're going to go to any search engine and search for checkcoverage.apple.com. And over here, you're going to simply, paste that device serial number, click on submit, and then you will be redirected to another interface that would say the coverage is expired right now. And this was basically the purchase date, that is December 2022. So that is basically how you can check iPhone purchase dates. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.